Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Thyroid surgeries. So first, let's look at lobectomy. Lobectomy means that the one entire thyroid lobe is removed. So one entire thyroid lobe, this is removed. Next, let's look at the hemithyroidectomy. So in hemithyroidectomy, it is the total lobectomy of one lobe. So there is a total lobectomy of one lobe, and there is a isthmusectomy. There is isthmusectomy. Next, we move on to the subtotal thyroidectomy. So in subtotal thyroidectomy, there is a 2 into total subtotal lobectomy. There's 2 into subtotal lobectomy, and this leaves greater than 1 gram of thyroid tissue. That is greater than 1 gram of the thyroid tissue, and this is on each side, each lobe, plus the isthmusectomy. Then we move on to the near total thyroidectomy. So in near total thyroidectomy, there is a total lobectomy. So there is total lobectomy, but it leaves less than 1 gram of tissue. So it leaves less than 1 gram of tissue, and this is adjacent to the RLN. This is adjacent to that of the RLN, and this is at the ligament of Berry on one lobe. This is at the ligament of Berry, and this is on one lobe. Next is along with the isthmusectomy. And it is also known as the Hartley-Dunhill procedure. It is aka Hartley-Dunhill procedure. Hartley-Dunhill procedures. Next, we move on to the total thyroidectomy. In case of the total thyroidectomy, the two lobes, there is a 2 into total lobectomy plus the isthmusectomy. So let's look at some few important diagrams so that we understand the concept. So if this is the thyroid, these parts remain. So this is the hemithyroidectomy. Next is we look at the subthyroidectomy. So in terms of subthyroidectomy, the top is removed. This is subtotal thyroidectomy. And when you look at the near total thyroidectomy, what remains is, so near total thyroidectomy. So this is the Hartley-Dunhill procedure. Hartley-Dunhill procedure. So as per this, what happens is, only a portion will be remaining. So this is the Hartley Dunhill procedure. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.